Good Monday morning, everyone. Chris Allen here on the Sam channel, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and X, all sponsored by Ace Hardware Marketplace for this Monday, August 12th. Well, I took a little bit of a break from doing these, and that is going to happen every once in a while. But I appreciate you guys staying with me. And let's get to the weather this morning, which is very nice. It's been very nice over the course of the weekend. And we've got a good start this Monday morning with a mainly clear sky. I do see some distant clouds there. But it is going to be a very nice day, full of that sunshine and pleasant temperatures. I mean, much advertised, very nice weekend we had with temperatures only in the 80s and overnight lows in the upper 50s and low 60s. It has been wonderful. And the lower humidity levels, that just made it feel even that much better. And man, so nice out there this morning if you're stepping out or going to work. Here's a look at radar. It's pretty quiet this morning. There are some showers out here to the west of us. Now, these showers are along a boundary that is going to have some effect on our weather as we go through time. This week, we're going to see a little bit better in the way of rain chances because of that boundary out to the west. It is kind of parked over parts of Missouri and Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, and we get these waves running over it, and they squeeze out some showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder. Now, there's nothing in Kentucky right now, but this afternoon, this evening, there could be a few sprinkles, I think, here in the Bowling Green area in southern Kentucky, even overnight tonight. Tomorrow and the next several days through the rest of the week and into the weekend will be better chances of maybe getting just a little bit of rain. And when I say a little bit, it's a little bit. It's not going to be a whole lot. But we are looking at better rain chances coming our direction as that system slowly makes its way off to the east. Here's a look this morning from downtown and our AAA Systems Reservoir Hill camera, seeing mainly clear sky with a few distant clouds. And those clouds will be mixing with the sunshine for us today. Another view, which is out at our newest AAA Systems camera, this one at I-65 from the Wingate Hotel. Look at that, beautiful sunshine. This is looking east, of course, with the sunrise, and you can see a little bit of fog there in the lower left corner, so that would be looking more north up toward the Barren River area. And yeah, up that way, you're going to see, especially around lakes and rivers this morning, you're going to see some fog this morning. So just keep that in mind. You know, the usual places where you see fog taking place, slow down, take it easy. There's not a lot of fog, but it's in some of the areas around lakes and rivers and streams on this Monday morning. Checking Kentucky mesonet temperatures, 50s, pretty much statewide. I don't see, let's see, over in the western part of the state, we're starting to see around 60. But everybody else is in the very comfortable 50s this morning. It feels awesome this morning. Dew points are also in the 50s, so everything is feeling very nice and much thinner air. You know, it's not so thick. It's not humid. It's perfect, really. If we could have weekends and days like this all the time, I'd be happy. That would just be perfect. Here's a look at the winds, near calm and light and variable on this Monday morning. I don't expect too much humidity to even come back this week. Maybe toward the middle and the end of the week, we'll start to feel a little bit more humidity coming back as that system gets closer to us. Naturally, with the additional moisture, you're going to feel that. But otherwise, it's still looking pretty good. Here's a look at the model blender, and there's only a few days, Thursday and Friday, when we even touch 90. Everything else stays in the 80s, and we're going to stay that way through at least the 22nd of August. As you see here, that's the next 10 days. We pretty much stay in the mid to upper 80s. Those 90s you see there Thursday and Friday, maybe, but there's also rain or a chance of rain in the forecast Thursday and Friday. So we may not hit 90. We may just stay in the upper 80s. But the average daily high right now is still 90, but in the next few days, that average daily high starts to go down to like 89, 88, 86. You get the idea. So we're getting close to that time of year when we get deeper into August, the average daily high and the average nightly low starts dropping little by little. Oh, yeah. You know what that means. Fall is not that far away. But yeah, we're in that transitional period where it's just, we're in August. Next month is September, and it's coming. It's coming. The days, daylight getting shorter, nighttime, minute by minute is getting longer. So naturally, we are going to start to cool down little by little, even though it's still technically summer for, 20, 30 something days. We still got a month or so to go. Yeah, it's coming to a close already. All right, let's check the maps here. And you can see that we've got a lot of high pressure, some of the fog that you're seeing this morning evident on the screens. But here, back to the west, this is the system that I'm talking about is going to linger over the next few days and then eventually come our direction. Here we go into this afternoon, tonight. And as I mentioned, maybe a sprinkle or two as we get into the overnight hours. Here we go into early morning Tuesday, then into Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, still pretty much light rain in that same spot. But then we get a little bit more movement to the east, and we get a warm front that moves in parts of Missouri and Arkansas and Kansas. And that's going to push some of that light rain our direction. You see it almost comes in on Wednesday morning, but more so Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. And then for the rest of the week, the end of the week, we're going to see daily chances of rain. It's not going to rain the whole time, just chances of showers, scattered showers, perhaps even a thunderstorm with the warm air sector. And then you've got the cold front lingering here and stalling a bit back to the west. This is Friday morning. Here's Saturday morning, cold front expected to come through, but it's going to be kind of slow in coming and then moving out. It'll be kind of out of the picture by Sunday with a few lingering showers, but high pressure builds in back behind it and brings us more sunny weather after that. But as you saw, temperatures are not going to really heat up at all during that period. We're going to keep everything right there in the mid to upper 80s over the coming days. So that's not bad. That's tolerable. A little bit more humidity toward the end of the week, naturally, because we're going to have more humidity. Okay, that'll do it for this Monday edition. Thanks to everybody in the chat box this morning coming back and saying good morning and hello and all of that. I'll see you later this afternoon and this evening on News 40, NBC 40 and CBS 40 at 5, 6, and 10. In the meantime, God bless you and have a great morning.